So we are at Oleta River State Park today. Woohoo! And we will be kayaking to Sandspur Island, which is basically a raccoon island. It's beautiful, lovely. You can see mangroves going through the shade. Ellie, watch your head. Woohoo! Very good. Keep on paddling. Good job. Lovely, lovely. Woohoo! Ellie, do a little hoo-hoo. Woo! We are in the bay. And you can see helicopter. Woohoo! Take to the left, Ellie. Beautiful day. Very, very nice. Woohoo! So you can see little kids are snorkeling. Woohoo! And big kid is paddling. And you can see the ships, small boats. And we are about to reach Beach Cove. Woohoo! Lovely. So as per this map, we started from here. We kayak this way. All the boats we passed, and here we are about to reach Beach Cove. Woohoo! And you can see a lot of kayaks here. Woohoo! Lovely. I like it. Beautiful park. Oleta State Park. I love it. Oleta River State Park. Beautiful boat. So we left the beach cove. There was the beach. And this is the fishing pier. People are trying to catch fish from here. And now we are heading towards Raccoon Island. Hopefully it is that island. That one. Let's see. Woohoo! Wow. Beautiful Miami. Wow. Beautiful boats. Lovely. Woohoo! And you can see a bridge. Traffic is going. Wow, beautiful sun. And this is a manatee zone. Slow speed. Woohoo! And I think this is the Raccoon Island. Let's see. Once we reach there, we'll try to spot raccoons. So we are about to reach Raccoon Island, which is so called Sandspur Island. Woohoo! Oh, beautiful shoreline. Nice. So many kayaks. Wow. I think people are watching raccoon. We'll also check it out. But first let's check Ellie. Wow. She's in the waters, enjoying the Miami waters. Ellie. 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 Nice?
Yeah.
Rocks?
No. Well, now they are, but not there. It was seaweed.
Are we enjoying the water on a sunny day? So many people came on the Raccoon Island to see the raccoons. Beautiful. Woohoo!
you can try.
No. This is not good.
Oh my god, just
Do it. Let her digest. Give to this one. Wow.
It's so cute.
Beautiful raccoons on Raccoon Island. Ellie, you love them? Beautiful. Wow, bird is having a fish. Come up. Yes.
Oh.
Wow, nice.
Oh, he dropped the fish. Oh, you got it back.
Woohoo! Free meals. Lovely.
For him at least. Or her. Whatever that means.
Lovely.
He dropped the-
Lovely.
He dropped the fish again. Why are they going towards it? Go away from me. You're gonna see
Wow, so many crackers. Woohoo! Cool.
Oh, he got it.
Got it?
He got it. Yeah.
Lovely.
I can see it in his throat.
Two. Wow.
What if you go through the sign?
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Somewhere between.
Wow.
Hi.
Beautiful pose. What are you doing here?
I'm looking scared. It's not like
You are in Manatee Zone. You will be given a ticket of $250. Send me your address. Thank you. Bye-bye. Beautiful. So we have finished our Raccoon Island trip. Now we'll go through the cave of mangroves. Nice. No, let it go, Ellie. Watch your head.
my head can't even reach it. You watch your head.
Beautiful. Lovely. These are mangroves. Beautiful trees. Woohoo! We are passing through the bridge. Alice say, woohoo! Please. Woohoo! Woohoo! This is lovely. Lovely. Oh wow. Wow. Ellie, pedal नीचे रख. Pedal नीचे कर. Wow. Beautiful flight. And our journey is over. Ali, can you look here? Woohoo! Beautiful ride. I love it. Mini stove by Maggie ready for Ali, which we'll share. There's too much carb.
No, I think it's just the
Look,
right.
look.
It's hard. Just the right amount of carbs for me. I need a fork. Oh,
Ali, how's the Maggie?
delicious.
Nice. Credit goes to Mini Chulha.
Close to me.
Woohoo! Ellie is having her Maggie and our Maggie is in progress. Woohoo!
Neha.
Phone is Neha. Woohoo! Beautiful. Oleta State Park, River State Park.